doing it quickly, it seems to be better because you get it straight on and you've no thought about whether it's good or bad or anything. Just put it straight on as quickly as you can. Now this paper's buckling terribly. Right. Now you have to be very quick and very free, and not to worry about what it looks like. So I think we will wet in first, just in case we need it. We'll wet in first. So it'll buckle like anything because it's already buckling. So okay, so what we'll do, we'll get some Payne's Grey and just slap it on. Now it has a bluey cast with it, hasn't it, Payne's Grey? Let's put some more blue with it. Or put some brown in it. Put some yellow ochre in it. That's not dark enough, is it? Let's get some really dark stuff on. Give it a little minute, let it settle down. Right. Just cleaning my palette out of it. Okay, now we'll get some really dark now. And I've got some Payne's Grey now. Go on. Oh, that's nice and dark, isn't it? Huh? Okay there. Now put some yellow ochre on the bottom half here. And a bit of brown. Umber, yeah, we'll put some umber in for a path here. That's a path there. Now I'm going to put some orange in now. It's orange on top of it, it's a brown on it. So there we are. We'll dry that off now, this path here. Quickly, if we can. Just get some, what shall we use for that? Lemon yellow. Yeah, lemon yellow. And a bit of blue. Ultramarine, well, with plenty of it. Put a little bit of orange in that. It's we just want it cooling down a little bit. It's a bit dark, but it doesn't matter. That's it. I'll just put a little bit of dark on here. A bit more. This is a bit of Van Dyke. that. Now, if you want, you can put a bit of paint, smaller brush, and we get some Payne's grey again. Let's see. That's not a bit too strong. You can also put a little bit of orange in it if you want. There's your Payne's grey. If you want, put a bit of orange into it. And we'll use that very lightly. And I think we'll put a windmill here. Well, we'll leave it like that. We don't need a lot in, do we? A little bit of orange again under here. Maybe on that roof there. And there, eh? On just this bit here. Go on, we'll have it across. We don't need to have a lot for this, do we? We can put a shade in here, eh? Down this side. Then just clean it off. Leave it like that. Now what shall we have next? A bit more dark along here. Yeah. There. And we could have a tree but in the distance here. But we mustn't have it too light, dark or that. Now I'll have a very, very light bluey colour across, eh? Now be careful here. Okay, now then. And that's it. Okay, that's it. Nice and gentle, not too heavy. Thanks for looking in again, everyone. There's another one. Another one to bite the dust. And another one bites the dust. And another one. And another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. Oh yes. Thanks for looking in. God bless. Take care. Stay calm and you'll think clearer.